The Rain, the Roar, the Heartbreak. Dark documentary script idea based on the 2022 ICC Men's T20 World Cup in Australia. A tournament filled with chaos, rain, miracles, heartbreak, and destiny. One team survived by luck. Another arrived like a machine. And in the end, one injury changed cricket history forever. The 2022 ICC Men's T20 World Cup was played in Australia, featuring 16 nations battling for the trophy. England defeated Pakistan in the final at the Melbourne Cricket Ground to win their second T20 World Cup title. Pakistan's impossible journey. Pakistan lost to India in a last-over thriller. Then Zimbabwe shocked Pakistan by just one run. Fans called the campaign finished. Social media exploded with anger and memes. But South Africa's shocking defeat opened the door again. England's ruthless machine. England looked dangerous from the start. Explosive batting, fearless cricket. Sam Curran became the silent assassin of the tournament. Ben Stokes waited quietly for the big moment. Sam Curran finished as player of the tournament, while Virat Kohli scored the most runs overall. The final at Melbourne. Over 80,000 fans packed the MCG. Pakistan batted first. Babar Azam struggled. Shan Masood fought hard. But England's bowlers destroyed momentum. Pakistan scored only 137 for 8, with Sam Curran taking 3 for 12. The moment everything changed. Pakistan fought back brilliantly with the ball. Shaheen Afridi dismissed Alex Hales. England were under pressure. Then came the catch. Shaheen injured his knee while taking Harry Brooks' catch and could not continue properly. England regained control afterward. Wikipedia +1. One slip on the grass, and millions of dreams collapsed. Ben Stokes, the villain of fate. Ben Stokes played an unbeaten 52 and guided England home with 6 balls remaining. England became the first men's team to hold both the ODI and T20 World Cups at the same time. Reddit fans described the ending as destiny repeating itself for Stokes after his dramatic 2016 and 2019 World Cup moments. Reddit +1 ending narration. Pakistan came back from the dead, only to fall one step short. England completed their white ball empire, and somewhere under the Melbourne lights, cricket witnessed another cruel ending.